happy morning, students. We are going to discuss another question which is related with one more principle of insurance, and this time this is related with the principle of utmost good faith. Although I have told you in advance only, but we have to understand it by going through the question, that what it is saying, and then we will come to the conclusion also. So let us move to the question and let us read out the question here. See, the question is, a factory owner took a fire insurance policy for his factory. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Obviously the owners take the insurance policy. So here the factory owner has again taken a policy. This is of fire insurance. Now, without informing insurance company that he received notice from electric department to get the wiring of the factory repaired. Now you see one thing which is very much important in case of any insurance, that is the faith. Whenever we are going to insurance company for any kind of, for taking the insurance policy, it is our duty to first of all clear out the things, to first of all clear out that whether any problem is related with the property or not. If it is there, we have to reveal the thing. Just like if you go to the doctors, whatever problem we are having, we used to convey them. We have to tell them. Then only the doctor can do the treatment correctly. Similarly, when we go to the lawyers, whatever the problem, we have to tell everything to that person. Same thing is applicable here also. Whenever you are going to take any kind of insurance policy, it is your duty to inform each and every minute details. Because what will happen if we will not say? Maybe in future the insurance company will deny to make any kind of to pay the compensation because we have not informed. And here you see the same situation. The wiring was already faulty. The electric department has told that please repair the faulty wiring, and here the factory owner has not repaired, as well as he has also not informed the insurance company about the faulty wiring. So here you see the faith that is missing, and which is very much important. This is the first principle of insurance only. Utmost good faith. We must have faith on each other. The insured should faith on insurer, and insurer should have faith on insured, because both have to disclose every important information to each other. Now let us continue with the question. What they are saying: after 6 months of taking the policy, the factory caught fire due to faulty wiring. Now you see here that ultimatum was given by the electricity department that please do repair your faulty wiring, and the incident, the damage was occurred because of the faulty wiring only. Fire caught. Insurance principle, the policy was taken for fire only, but the reason was faulty wiring, and which was already present. The factory owner has not repaired. Now see here, will the factory owner get compensation? Now do you think factory owner should get the compensation? Not at all. He will not get the compensation because he kept the important information hidden. First of all, he has not repaired the faulty wiring. If he had repaired, there will not be issue because he had already repaired the problem. Second thing, although the repairing was not done, the wiring was not proper, at least he should inform the insurance company. He had not informed. That means he will not get any compensation. So will he get any compensation? The clear answer is no. He will not get any compensation. Now see the second thing. Which principle of insurance is applicable here? So you see, the first principle only, this is the matter of faith, this is the matter of trust. So the first principle of insurance, that is the principle of utmost good faith, is applicable here. So what you will write? Principle of utmost good faith. The principle of utmost good faith is applicable in this case. So here, this is the duty of insured as well as insurer to reveal all the important information. That means if I am going to take any kind of policy, if I am the insured, I have to disclose all the information which is relevant, which is related with the property, which is related with the subject matter to the insurance company or the insurer. Similarly, the insurer should also disclose all the terms and conditions and every guidelines clearly in front of the insured, so that in future there won't be any problem for any of the party. So here, through this question, I hope you have understood how to come to this conclusion. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.